Meaning of filthiness.
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 Filthiness. Filthiness refers to the state of being extremely dirty or unclean. It can refer to physical dirtiness, such as that of a person who hasn't bathed in a long time, or to the condition of a place that is covered in waste or debris. Filthiness can also be used to describe moral decay or corruption, such as dishonesty or immorality. Ultimately, filthiness leads to an unpleasant and unhealthy environment, both physically and mentally, and can have detrimental effects on the well-being of individuals and society as a whole.